The Rank Diagnostic app is an analysis app to help Amazon sellers have better insight into what's happening with their business. This app is a desktop app that sits on your desktop and it's run in the background with the MySQL database. All your private information is held on your computer. There's no sharing those private information with any third-party website. The app consists of 4 main tabs that gives analysis. Before you can perform any analysis, you need to get data into the app. To do that, you use these 3 buttons. The first one imports a GeoRank report, which you'll get from a partner that introduced you to the app to begin with. The second button here comes from Amazon, the All Orders report. And the third button is your inventory ledger. With regards to the inventory ledger, to know what settings you need to do on Amazon to get the proper report, you basically click this button and you see what you need to provide so you can download the correct file. Additionally, all files that are imported into this app needs to be as CSV files. So on Amazon, typically your all orders report is done in text format. Once you download the text format, you need to save it as a CSV file and that you import into Rank Diagnostic. Now, a more detailed view on the tabs. The first tab, as I mentioned before, is a GeoRank report. What the GeoRank report does is it gives you a detailed, granular view of what's happening with your ranking on a keyword basis across multiple zip codes, typically between 300 and 500 plus zip codes. That gives you a great insight if you really want to dig down to understand what's happening with a particular ASIN and keyword combination. The next tab is a summary tab that pulls in all the keywords that you've imported into Rank Diagnostic that pertains to that ASIN, and it gives you the rank across different batches of zip codes. The first one will be 100 zip codes and the second one will be the entirety of all the zip codes that you've got done. We'll get back to this later. The third tab is a financial tab that will break down your sales. Breaks down your sales by month, year, marketplace, state, day of the week, hour of the day, city. Basically, it gives you every view you can have of how your sales are going. The final and fourth tab brings in all the other 3 tabs into one visual overview that's plot across the country of that marketplace. And that is the basic overview of Rank Diagnostic. In the other versions of this tutorial, we will go through detailed view of each tab. Until then, see you on the next side.